Are you looking for a cheap, reliable dumpster rental in Tarzana, California? The Green Dumpster Rental Los Angeles is your solution. Our commitment is to provide you with exceptional service from start to finish. At the Green Dumpster Rental Los Angeles, we understand that managing waste can be challenging. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction project, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. Customers trust us for our prompt delivery, competitive pricing, and dedication to environmental responsibility. We also prioritize recycling and eco-friendly disposal methods to minimize our ecological footprint. With easy online booking and flexible rental periods, we ensure a hassle-free experience tailored to your schedule. Our professional team is dedicated to providing top-notch waste management solutions that you can trust. Contact the Green Dumpster Rental Los Angeles today at 818-404-5865 or visit www.thegreendumpster.com. Town Dumpster Rental Tarzana to learn more about our dumpster rental services. Let us help you manage your waste efficiently and responsibly. Call us today and discover why we are the preferred choice in Tarzana.